15 phrasal verbs with get and how to use them. Get up, to wake up and leave the bed. Example, I usually get up at 7 a.m. every day. Get on, to enter or board a vehicle or transportation. Example, let's get on the bus before it gets too crowded. Get off, to exit or leave a vehicle or transportation. Example, we need to get off at the next stop. Get along, to have a good relationship or rapport with someone. Example, Sarah and her brother get along really well. Get by, to manage or cope with a situation, often with limited resources. Example, despite the financial difficulties, they managed to get by. Get through, to complete or finish something. Example, I finally got through all the assignments for this semester. Get over, to recover from an illness, loss, or emotional distress. Example, it took him a long time to get over the death of his pet. Get out, to leave or exit a place. Example, it's getting late, we should get out of here. Get in, to enter or come inside a place. Example, we need to get in line early to get good seats. Get off, to avoid punishment or a negative consequence. Example, he was lucky to get off with just a warning. Get away, to escape or leave a place. Example, let's take a vacation and get away from all the stress. Get across, to communicate or make something understood. Example, she had a hard time getting her point across in the meeting. Get by, to pass or move by someone or something. Example, be careful when you walk, make sure to get by the parked cars. Get back, to return to a previous place or state. Example, we need to get back home before it gets dark. Get off, to start or initiate an activity. Example, let's get off the meeting with a quick icebreaker activity. Remember, phrasal verbs often have different meanings depending on the context, so it's important to consider the specific situation when using them.